These faceless creators are making thousands, and you've never even seen their faces.
This is the new AI gold rush. Channels making thousands of dollars, and the creators are 100% anonymous. But how? Are you an expert, but you hate being on camera? Or you're just busy, like me. You don't have time to set up lights, cameras, and do 10 takes. For years, this stopped you. But now, we have the AI-powered workflow. And after this brief breakdown, I am going to show you, step by step, how to create your own first content for free. But first, here is the blueprint we'll be working with. It's a simple 4-step system. First, the script. You give a simple prompt to an AI, and you get a full video script in seconds. Second, the voice. You copy that script and paste it into an AI voice generator. Third, the visuals. You use AI to generate every image, and then animate those images into video, giving you unlimited clips for free. But here is the secret. You can do all of this, and your videos will still sound cheap. The real magic is step 4, the human in the loop. You take all those AI assets and assemble them. You add music, and you master the audio to sound cinematic. This is the most important step, and I'll show you exactly how I do it in CapCut. Okay, watch this. I'm in the AI chat. I'll just type, write a 30-second script on the 3 benefits of a morning routine. I hit enter, and there it is, the full script, ready to go. Now, I just copy all of this text, and I'll open our free TTS tool. I paste the script right here in this box. I'll select a standard voice and just click Generate. Let's listen.
Ever wonder why successful people swear by their morning routines? Because how you start your morning shapes your entire day.
This is an AI voice. It is 100% free and clear enough to start. See, it's that simple. We have our voiceover. Now, for the visuals, I'll go to our image generator. My prompt is a cinematic shot of a person watching a sunrise. It generates the image. Perfect. Now, I take that image and go to the video generator. I upload it and add a prompt like gentle camera zoom in. And in a few seconds, we have a professional animated clip. All for free. This is the most important part. Pay attention. Here's the raw audio file from the AI.
Ever wonder why successful people swear by their morning routines? Because
it sounds flat, right? Now, watch this. I'm in CapCut Mobile. First, I tap Enhance Voice. This toggle instantly cleans the vocal. I'll also add a little noise cleanup with the slider. Second, I'll add our music track. But the simple ducking toggle is gone. This is where amateurs fail. We will do it the pro way with keyframes. Watch. I tap the music track right before my voice starts. I tap this keyframe diamond. Then I move to where the voice begins. Tap the keyframe again. And now, I go to volume and pull the music down. I do the same at the end of the voice. Keyframe, move.
shapes your entire day.
Keyframe and pull the volume back up.
Shapes your entire day. First, more energy.
This is manual audio ducking. And the final cinematic touch. I'll go to voice filters and tap Big House. This adds a pro reverb. I'll adjust the strength down to just 10% so it's subtle. Listen to the before.
Ever wonder why successful people swear by their morning routines? Because how you start your morning shapes your entire day.
And now the after.
Ever wonder why successful people swear by their morning routines? Because how you start your morning shapes your entire day. First, more energy. A short workout, a stretch, or even a walk wakes your body and clears your mind.
That is the pinus.edits difference, and that is the secret.
Now you have two options. Option 1. You can do this all yourself. To get you started, I've left my personal links to all the AI tools I use, from the script writers to my favorite AI voice and video generators, in the description below. Using them helps support this channel at no extra cost to you. Option 2, if this still looks like too much work, but you want these high-quality, AI-powered videos for your business, this is what I do professionally. My digital agency, pinus.edits, specializes in this exact workflow. We handle the scripts, the visuals, the editing, and that cinematic audio mastering. You can find the link to get a free quote right in the description. This has been Pinus for Pinus AI Plus. I'll see you in the next one. Brought to you by Pinus Edits.